So I'm going to have a couple of things. I have a couple of things to say about the affirmative side. One of the things that was stated, I believe it was by Miriam, that the way that animals are, that they show how they take the medicine and how their body takes it, like is able to handle it, is different than that of humans. Well, yeah, I mean, humans are not exactly animals. They're an animal. The closest animal that we have are chimpanzees, and they share 99% of the DNA. So it's not exactly that we're going to see every single form of medication to be exactly like it would be in humans. I mean, from the animal testing, you can start to see what would work and what wouldn't work, and you kind of can start getting into a right path, which is very good because it saves time from, instead of having to just guess and check and guess and check and guess and check on humans, which would then put humans at risk. And I'm pretty sure most of us consider our lives more important than that of a rat. Another thing that was stated was the thing about scotch. I thought we were talking about animal research and not trying to get rats drunk. I mean, yeah, it's a very nice thing to know that rats can take 12 bottles of scotch. But that's not really the topic, so that's kind of irrelevant. Also, I mean, like I stated earlier, mice and humans are not exactly the same. So it's understandable that their excretory, their urinary system wouldn't be exactly like ours. From that, seeing how, knowing how a mice's excretory system actually works, it's possible that you could, adjust the strengths of the medication towards that of humans. Another thing that was stated was that the AWA, the Animal Welfare Act, she stated that it was amended in 1970, when actually the last time it was amended was in 2008. So the information that she was posted was it's old. It's not, it's not the most modern form of information that we have. It's not the most, recent amendments to the law, which could have added a lot more, animals that are taken care of and protected by the law. So there's that. And then something that Kyle stated that is pretty important. We kill 1,800 times the amount of pigs than that we use in research. And if any of you guys have seen how pigs are treated when they're killed for us to eat, they're butchered. So why is it that we can butcher pigs and treat them very awfully? If any of you guys have seen any of the videos that get posted of what a butchery is like, why is it that we're allowed to treat animals like that and not be able to keep them in nice labs with housing, food, to be able to test on them, small skin kinks or other forms of medication, which often could be beneficial to the animal. Same thing with pretty much all the other animals. Like she stated that horses and chickens and other stuff weren't protected by the law. I mean, yeah, they're not protected by the law, or they weren't protected by the law in 1970, but now they probably are, and we still butcher them. So what's the difference between butchering them and pretty much slaughtering and desecrating the entire body of the chicken over keeping the chicken alive, and for the most part, and being able to test it for our benefits and our health benefits to not have as much human risk in medication.